Hey friends, I'm back and we're in another week of the year. This time we're going to make a cheddar chicken rice casserole. I think I got that right. But anyways, it's chicken, cheddar cheese, and rice and ranch. So I guess it's chicken, ranch, cheddar, rice casserole, something like that. But anyway, something I come up with, something I put together, something I've been working on, and this is oh so good. So stick with me. I'm going to show you how to make this. We're going to make some Italian herb roast potatoes. Another so simple. So anyways, before we even get started, it's Billy T Garden in the kitchen. And we have been making a lot of good stuff recently. I hope you've enjoyed it. From our Christmas candies and stuff to New Year's to what we've done so far. Please, before we get started, I've got a lot of viewers. I need more subscribers. Please go down, subscribe. Cost you nothing, no obligations. If you don't like me later, take me off. That's simple. It's what I do. Other than that, please like, turn on notifications, and please comment to let me know what you think about this recipe, any others, or if you have something you'd like for me to fix, I'd be happy to. Just leave a comment. So, without further ado, why don't we do this? So let's get started and let's go. Let me show you what we've got. So folks, I've got some chicken breasts. It's already cut up and thawed. I've got about a cup, a little better of cheddar cheese. I have a quarter cup of bacon bits, or you can use regular bacon and crumble it up. I got a packet of ranch mix. I got about 3 cups of rice. You can use a cup of uncooked rice. Whoop, fingers in the way. You can use a cup of uncooked rice or 2 to 3 cups of cooked rice. And then a can of cheddar cheese. And we're going to have some water. Now, I've already got my pan oiled and stuff. And then, of course, these are for our Italian roasted potatoes. Couldn't think for a second. And then we have our Italian seasoning. And then our garlic over here. So yeah, I want to throw some garlic in. So this is so simple. What we're going to do, we're going to take our chicken, put it in our pan, like so. Like so. I've already got it sprayed and stuff. We got our oven on. Let's see here. Let's rearrange it just a little different. I tell you, I am so picky. Here's a piece of fat. Okay. Let me get this plate out of the way. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix up my ranch, my bacon bits, and my cheese soup. We're going to put that in a bowl, and we're going to mix that up. Okay, now you can do this 2 ways. You can add your rice to it, and cook the rice with it, but I've already got my rice cooked, so I'm going to cook this about halfway through, open it up, then add the rice to it. So what I'm going to do is I want to take my ranch mix and my cheddar mix, and I want to mix them till they're really combined. Okay, so let me get my soup and my ranch mix mixed up here pretty good, and I'll be right back. Okay, now we've got everything in here. Water, our soup, and our ranch mix. Our cheddar soup and our ranch mix. Stir this up real good. All we're going to do is take and pour this over top of our chicken, like so. Okay. And folks, before I forget, I'm not cooking these together in the oven because the chicken cooks at about 325, 350, and the potatoes cook at about 400. So I am cooking my chicken in the oven, and I'm cooking my potatoes in my big air fryer because they do cook 2 separate temperatures. Can't talk tonight. I'll get it out here in a minute, folks. Promise you. I'll be right back. Thanks. Okay, friends, this is about halfway finished. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scatter the rice through it. I forgot a while ago, I left out my part. All I done is took my cheddar and scattered it around the on top of the chicken, and I think I forgot scattered it on top of the chicken, and then the bacon bits, or vice versa, whichever, like so. And we're going to get this down in here. See, like I say, you can just put the rice in here raw and cook it in it. But I like this way because I do like to take my rice and make it. That's going to be good. Take my rice and make it as fluffy as I can first. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this up and we're going to continue cooking. So be right back again. Folks, do you want your rice light and fluffy like from a restaurant? Well, I'll tell you how to do that. I wondered how to, and I figured it out. Not that hard. Day-old rice works best. That's my air fryer. Anyways, it's not a smoke alarm, I promise you. We change our batteries. Inside joke, or joke amongst other podcasters. Anyways, take your rice and before you cook it in your pot, take and rinse it real good. It gets all that starch and stuff off of it. And then boil it. And then I take and I rinse it off 2 or 3 more times. Okay. After I do that, then I take a pan and I line it with parchment paper and lay that rice on it, put it in the oven and cook it on about 325, something like that. It gets rid of most of that moisture. And I'll even take it halfway through and I'll rinse it again. You're just getting the more of that starch you get off of it, the fluffier and the lighter it's going to make it. Now, I know you can't cook it in a pan and make it fluffy, but I like it fluffier. So you just want to keep rinsing that starch off. Once you rinse it again, put it back on your tray, bake it again, 325, 10, 15 minutes, and then take it out, leave it on your pan, stir it around, let it sit in the air for 15, 20 minutes, and you'll end up with pretty light and fluffy rice. If you want to know that, that's how you do it. So try it. It does work. Other than that, once we get once we get done, we'll be back. But just a little something maybe to help you out. So we'll be back. Don't go nowhere. Okay, friends, we've got our potatoes done. Now, I did cook these in olive oil. And then after about 20 minutes, I took and pulled them out, stirred them up, put them back in, put a little bit more garlic stuff on them. After they're done, a little bit of salt, and they are so good. In just a minute, we'll pull our chicken out. How did I know these were done? I could smell them. Just like my chicken, when it's done, I'll be able to smell it. So we'll be right back. Okay, friends, I went on and pulled this out. I've told you 100 times, many times. How could you tell when it's done? You can smell it. It works every time. I'm going to pull that out. Look at that. That is so good, folks. I'm going to get me a different kind of spoon here. One of these. Dip some of our rice out. Now, I think I used a little too much water. Or, like I said, if you look at that and put some of these potatoes on the side here, like so. And there we have it, folks. Let's get us a taste. Got to do that. And rice. That is so good. Here's a little pepper. And maybe a dash of salt. And there we have it, folks. Cheddar chicken and rice casserole with roasted Italian garlic potatoes on the side. A meal fit for a king, and it is so good. It takes a little. Rice is so good. But a meal fit for a king. Try that, folks. Let me see. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. I'd appreciate it. Oh, that is so good. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? It's because it is good. Okay, folks, there we are. There's our cheddar chicken, our cheddar bacon chicken with rice casserole. Like I said, if I wouldn't have cooked my rice and put it in with it, it would have been, more solidy. But I like my rice light and fluffy, so I probably should have cut back on my water. This is only like the second, third time I've done this, and I've done it both ways. And every time I cook it without the rice, it doesn't come up as solid, but it tastes just as good. It doesn't matter. Put your rice in because, your rice soaks up all your water. Just back off on your water if you cook it and, add your rice later. Either way, but try this recipe. Let me know what you think. I'll leave it at the end. It is so good. Anyways, thank you guys so much. Love you guys. Don't forget, it will be at 5:30 in the morning. And then again on Wednesday and Friday. My other channel will be Tuesday and Thursday, 10 p.m. where we go back to the 80s, talk about that. I appreciate you guys. Thank y'all so much. Love you. Take care. Till next time, Billy T. Garden in the kitchen. See ya.